wrinkles on decollette, there is a way to get rid of it. If you love to sleep on your side, unfortunately skin here will be wrinkled for many hours of your sleep. But you can protect your skin on decollette from wrinkles. This solution, which I will show you from my own experience, is also beneficial if you have wrinkles because of aging. And this is it. This is a silicone pad from Medical Silicone with medical glue on it. The company is Chinese, but I must say this one is good because there are also other Chinese silicones, but they are very thin and in fact they look more like a foil, not like a silicone, so they are not sticky and they are not thick, so they can get wrinkles, so without sense. But this one I can recommend very much. No one pays me for that, so it's just my experience. I just have had such problems, so I was looking for solutions and I share with it and how to use it, how it looks like. This company makes it in two shapes. I prefer that one because it's bigger. It's also T shape or V shape more, which is slimmer, goes slimmer here, but I prefer that one. And this is very thick, soft, and it doesn't wrinkle. Even if you sleep on your side and normally your skin would be wrinkled, it doesn't. It sticks very well, I must say. The person, the company which made it, claims that you're supposed to put it on dry, cleaned decollette, but I must say that it sticks very well even if you have oil on it. Just, you must be aware that oils, creams, balms will make that it will not be for very long. If you keep it well, then one can be used for a month. Of course, after every usage on the morning, you have to wash it with a soapy water, make it dry naturally, and stick with this sticky part on this foil to protect this glue. So thanks to that it will be for longer. Well, I prefer to put creams for night when skin takes it the most. I agree with that I have to buy more, but it's really worth of it in my opinion. Another thing which you can use during the day, there are special gel masks on your upper chest, and this is it. This is UK company. It's called Revital. I saw that this is the only company in Europe which makes it. I noticed that China started to make some too, but this company, according to my experience, my researches, was the first. This is a gel and it has water, glycerin, xanthan gum, chondrus crispus powder, glucomannan, algin, citric acid, potassium, also centella asiatica extract and other extracts from different plants, including camellia, rosmarinium, and aloe vera. It also has tocopherol, which is vitamin E, allantoin, also hydrolyzed collagen, and some more things. And this one you put, of course, on clean skin, and this is what is stated here, that it's for 15-20 minutes. But in my opinion, you really can have it even for a few hours to take the most of it. Of course, if you have it under your clothes, put double piece of paper towel to don't make it moisture. So I must say it's quite okay. Of course, you also can use other kinds of gel mask or also cloth masks which you use for your face. Just this one has the shape which is very suitable for this part, so it's comfortable to it. Of course, you cannot forget about proper treating this part. This part also need peeling, this part also need cleansing, also need masks, creams and protection against sun. So take care of your décolleté, use this and you will have younger décolleté for longer. One thing what I just forgot to mention as for this silicone pads is that if you will put a nutritious cream, for example, and you will put this silicone pad on it, then all ingredients will be absorbed, cannot evaporate through this silicone pad. So you will have the most of your ingredients inside. So I think it's additional benefit of that. Take care of yourself. Thank you for your watching. I invite you to my rejuvenation school, which link to you will find under this video. Stay younger for longer.